Want to start on your career coaching journey but not too sure where to begin? I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to lay out my 5-step framework to start and launch a profitable coaching business from scratch. Make sure you stick around right until the end to learn some major pitfalls that you want to avoid when embarking on this journey. My name is Makita. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I built my career coaching business from scratch to multiple 6 figures, and now I help other coaches build profitable businesses from scratch so they can multiply their income and their impact. Now, before I get into the 5 steps, I want to answer the most common question that I get asked when it comes to launching a career coaching business or starting any coaching business for that matter. And that is, do I need a certification? The short answer is no. A certification is not required to start a coaching company, whether you're in career coaching, life coaching, or the likes. But what you do need is relevant experience that shows that you can help somebody achieve the best outcome for their career depending on their goals. With that said, let's dive into my 5-step framework to start and launch your career coaching business from scratch. I came up with the CARES method to help you remember the exact steps to take when launching from scratch. CARES stands for clarify your niche, address pain points, refine your coaching framework, engage with real clients, scale and elevate your offer. Let's dive into each one more in depth. The first step is to clarify your niche. Here you want to identify your target audience and clarify your niche in the coaching industry. What is your unique expertise and how will you stand out from the crowd? Ask yourself, who am I best equipped to serve? Maybe you climb the corporate ladder fast and you want to help others in your industry do the same. Maybe you've conducted thousands of interviews in the HR or talent space and you want to help career professionals sharpen their interview skills to help them land jobs faster. Maybe you have a passion for the tech space and you have the know-how to help people pivot or transition into a career in tech. The key action item in the clarify your niche step is to get clear on who you will serve, and what outcome or transformation you will help them achieve. Let's get into the second part of the CARES framework, which is to address pain points. Here, you want to understand your ideal client's biggest pain points. What is the big mountain that is hindering them from landing their dream job or achieving their ideal career? To gather data here on what your ideal client's real pain points and frustrations are, not what you think they are, you can utilize tools like ChatGPT, where you can give it a prompt to give you what the potential pain points, challenges, and frustrations are of your ideal client, or you can speak to your ideal clients directly and ask them this question. Understanding their pain points and frustrations allows you to craft the perfect offer based on what they really need and not what you think they need. This is critical. The third step in the CARES framework is R. Refine your coaching framework and offer. Here, you want to develop your own unique coaching framework. Think of this as how can you combine something that is proven to work with your unique expertise to guide somebody through the exact process that they'll take to achieve their ideal outcome. This could be as simple as a journey or roadmap that shows you the exact steps you are going to take from where the client is to where they want to be and what each of those steps entails. Now that you have your coaching framework, you want to craft an irresistible offer that your ideal clients will have a hard time saying no to. For example, your irresistible offer could be that you help career professionals land a job in tech in under 90 days, guaranteed. And now your framework is going to be the 5-step process that you are going to take somebody through to achieve that outcome. This is going to help you align your coaching expertise with the transformation that your ideal clients want to achieve in a packageable, marketable offer that you can provide and that you can showcase to your market. The 4th step in the CARES framework is E. Engage with real clients. So before you go out and do a fully blown launch for your new coaching business, you want to test your framework on 3 to 5 clients. You could do a beta offer where you take 3 to 5 clients through your coaching framework for free or for a discounted rate. Your goal here is to apply your strategies, get measurable results, prove out your coaching framework, and then collect success stories. This hands-on experience will help you to fine-tune your approach, but also get very tangible live feedback and experience, with the ultimate goal of enhancing your effectiveness as a coach. This is also an amazing opportunity to collect success stories, testimonials, and reviews, because there's nothing more powerful than social proof as you are launching and starting your coaching business. And the last step in the CARES framework is S, sell and elevate your coaching offer. Once you've refined your coaching framework based on the client feedback, it's now time to sell and elevate your offer. Since you've proven that you can get results, it's time to expand your reach, get on more clients, and scale your business. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, that all sounds great, Cindy. How exactly do I do that? Remember in step 4, we engaged with real clients, we tested our offer and collected success stories? We're gonna utilize them now. I want you to use that to do warm and cold outreach to audiences that would fit your ideal target. Reach out to them, pitch your offer, and get them on a call to sell your service. You can also watch this video next where I show you exactly how to do that. The most important thing here is you have to start focusing on marketing and sales, because that is going to be the engine that is going to allow you to scale faster. I know how important this is, and that's exactly what my team does. We help coaches get appointments on their calendar with their ideal clients so they can pitch their service and scale their revenue. Click the link right below this video to schedule a call with my team and see exactly how we do it. And here is my bonus tip to build a career coaching business that is profitable. I get a lot of questions around, what should I charge for my service? And here is a key tip I want you to remember. Charge for the value of the transformation you are helping your client achieve, and not for the time that you are spending to help them achieve it. For example, I could sell a $6,000 package to help you land a job in tech, which could potentially earn you multiple six figures in salary, versus charging $250 for a 1-hour session each time I coach you. So you want to stay away from exchanging time for money, and you want to put your focus on charging for the value of the transformation you are going to help your client achieve. Once I implemented this key thing in my business, it completely accelerated my results. Now let's look at the major pitfalls I have seen people make when starting and launching their coaching businesses. The first mistake I see coaches make is not having tangible outcomes or success stories of how they've helped clients in the past. Now remember, this is part of the framework that I walked you through. You need success stories, testimonials, because that is going to allow you to better market and sell your service. As humans, we want social proof. We want to see the results that others have achieved because it lowers our risk. We don't want to be the first ones to try something. So make sure you get social proof and that you get it early. The second mistake I see coaches make is spending so much time and money on branding, websites, social, when they don't even have any paying clients yet. Your number one priority should be to get paying clients in the door, and then you can focus on the branding and the websites and that fun stuff. The third mistake I see coaches make is spending hours and weeks building out webinars, trying to post on social media, and not doing any focus on marketing and selling their business in a way that's going to produce clients. Now, webinars are great. I've run a webinar in the past and it produced really great for me and my team. However, I knew how to market and sell the webinar to get people in the door. So if you are a new coach and you are just getting started, you want to launch something that is profitable and scalable, you don't want to start with a webinar. That goes back to my previous point. You want to start with getting paying clients in the door first, have a machine that is predictable where your next client is going to come from, and then you can focus on the rest. I hope that you found this video useful on how to build and launch a profitable coaching business from scratch. I want you to watch this video next where I walk you through how to launch a beta offer and exactly how to continue to scale your revenue and your client base. If you want to see exactly how our team helps coaches get in front of their ideal clients and build their coaching business and revenue, click the link right below this video. Like this video if you found it helpful. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos like these, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.